Welcome to Product Critique, where we provide in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and electronics. In this episode, we'll be taking a closer look at the BOLOXA S12 open-ear true wireless Bluetooth headphones with earhooks. The BOLOXA S12 headphones feature an open-ear design that provides ultimate comfort during extended use. Unlike traditional in-ear headphones, these headphones don't go inside your ears, making them perfect for those who dislike the feeling of earbuds. These headphones come with a long-lasting battery, ensuring you can enjoy your music, podcasts, or calls without interruptions. The charging case also extends the battery life, making them suitable for long journeys or workouts. The BOLOXA S12 headphones deliver high-fidelity sound quality, with clear and crisp audio. Whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or taking calls, you'll appreciate the excellent audio performance. The headphones are equipped with flexible ear hooks that provide a secure fit, ensuring they stay in place during active activities like workouts or running. You won't have to worry about them falling out, even during intense exercises. These headphones are designed for use in the US, so please check compatibility before purchasing if you're in another region. BOLOXA offers a warranty for this product, providing peace of mind to the buyers. The BOLOXA S12 headphones offer all these features at an affordable price point of just $29.99, making them a great value for your money. We found some alternatives on Amazon, like the wireless earbuds with similar features, but at slightly different price points. You may want to consider these alternatives depending on your budget and preferences. In conclusion, the BOLOXA S12 open-ear true wireless Bluetooth headphones offer comfort, long battery life, and hi-fi sound quality at an affordable price. Their secure ear hooks make them a great choice for active individuals. However, make sure to check compatibility if you're outside the US. Overall, these headphones provide excellent value for money. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews on the latest products. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the BOLOXA S12 headphones, feel free to leave a comment below.